Hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is how to cite a movie or a DVD in MLA Citation. That's what we're going to be doing today. And of course, I'm on Google Classroom, and that's where you're going to need to go. And you're going to notice that there is a MLA Works cited right down here because that's what we're going to need to go to. But before we do, I want you to pay attention to the things that we'll be needing. So I'm going to show you a DVD today, and we're going to actually be doing that together. There's a few ways to do it. We're actually going to be doing a physical DVD, and then I'm going to show you in the citation that there's different categories you can go to depending on what you're using. But since we're doing a physical DVD today, we're going to be doing things a little bit differently. So of course we need to go to our MLA Works Cited page, so please go there. And we are not doing a website, we're not doing a book or journal, we are doing an online video or film. So that is what we need to make sure we click on. So now we have to search by our title. And our title of our DVD today is called Degas and the Dancer. And that's what we're going to be searching for today. So we're going to cite this video. And we're scrolling through, and nope, it does not list it. So what that means is we have to create a manual citation. So we're going to go right here to create a manual citation. And this is where you have to be super careful. You can either cite an online DVD, which we are not, or online movie, on film, or online database. And that would be if you were to use something from like Amazon Prime or something like that. We're actually going to do on film. This is what we're going to do today. So you need to click on the center tab. And our film title, if you do not remember, is Degas and the Little Dancer. There is our DVD right there, Degas and the Dancer. I think I said Little Dancer. It's Degas and the Dancer. Remember, it's really nice because it actually tells you what you need to fill in. So just look for these stars. So we need to find the director. The director is usually found on the back of your DVD. And if you look right here, it actually says directed by David Devine. So that is actually the director of the film. So our director is going to be David. And his last name is Devine. Now, we don't have to worry about the country, but we do have to worry about the studio or distributor. And that can be kind of tricky on a DVD. But if you look really hard, you can see that it is called Devine Entertainment. And you just kind of have to look at the very bottom. Usually the bottom is where all the information is going to be. Also, it pretty much always tells you to Devine Entertainment. So you're looking for the company that actually made the video. And this one happens to be Devine Entertainment. So our studio, our distributor is Devine Entertainment. D-E-V-I-N-E, and then of course space, and it's entertainment. E-N-T-E-R-T-A-I-N-M-E-N-T. And notice the D and the E, of course, are capitalized. Now, did we see this film on theater? Nope. Is it on DVD? Yep. Not Laserdisc, not slide program, VHS, transcript, or other. So this is a DVD. And then we want to look for that year published. And that's going to be found on our DVD also. Just like our book. You're going to notice, you can see that really closely there. It has a little C with the circle around it. That's our copyright date. Doesn't matter if it's a book, movie, whatever. So we see that the copyright date for this one is 1999. So the year published is 1999. So we have to make sure we have the film title, Degas and the Dancer, the director, David Devine, the studio distributor, which is Devine Entertainment, and yes, it's a DVD, and the year published, it was 1999. All we have to do is complete the citation. And do not copy the in-text citation, copy the citation itself. When you copy it, Remember, I am not turning this in, so I cannot do it in Google Docs, unlike you. You're just going to paste it. In the center. Make sure it says works. Works cited. Times New Roman, which it is. 12-point font, which it is. And this is what your completed citation should look like. So you have the director, you have the title of the movie, which is italicized. You have the company that produced it and the year it was produced. And that is all you need for a DVD when you cite it in MLA Citation. Go ahead and turn that in, and I'll see you next week. Thanks so much. Bye.